Hello designers and creatives, and welcome to my space. My name is Son of Man, and on today's video we're going to be learning how to create our SportyBet app logo or icon. Okay, I don't know what SportyBet is used for but I saw it online and then I decided to use it for today's tutorial. In case this is your first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video and let others learn from our content. We have dropped series of video tutorials similar like this that will help boost your creativity skills on logo vectorization with PixelLab. So let's get started with today's video. First of all, I'm going to go and then bring my sketch because I already have it here. I just turn it off. Okay, this is my sketch. Let me just turn it a little visible so you see. Okay, this is my sketch. So I'm going to reduce the opacity, which I always do all the time anytime I want to vectorize the logo. Okay, I'm going to just remove this instead and then remove my SportyBet just to have my sketch on my screen. So here I already have my sketch, and when you import your sketch, just make sure that you lock it, okay, so that you won't be able to move your sketch around again. So when you're done with this, you just go ahead and pick your BEIZER. Before you pick your BEIZER, there is one thing you need to do. You need to make sure that you use your grid lines to align your sketch to the places that you want to place your BEIZER points. I have said this earlier over and over again. I think I need to make more emphasis on this. So here just watch and see how I make my grid line selections. Okay, thank you. So I think with this we are done with the major selections that we need to do with our grid line. Sorry. So after this, now we're going to pick our BEIZER and then start our vectorization. Sorry, in case you have been following me up before, you will know that this is always what I do all the time. So let me just use one stroke, only one stroke. So I'm just going to start here now, and then with my vectorization I'm going to start. So but before I start vectorization, I'm going to make sure my magnet is selected, so it will get my BEIZER point magneted. So with this, now I'm going to proceed. after we are done with this and we are going to go and reduce our stroke to 0, and then we can just add any random color that we want to choose. But for SportyBet logo is red color, so I'm going to pick red color and then check OK. We are done with this. I'm going to go here and then make sure I lock it. Okay, and after this, now I'm going to do the second phase, which is working on the shape circle. Okay, I'm going to pick my shape, pick my circle, and then I'm going to resize it and place it here because I already have my my grid line with cross, making a cross there, so I don't need to bother myself. I just have to place it there and then select color red, and then I'm going to make a copy of it and drag this one to this point, and then you see it's very easy, right? And then this is how we got to this point. Then here I'm going to go here now and then select all of them and then group them together as one object. So here I have my logo at the end of the day. So this is how we are able to achieve this SportyBet logo using PixelLab. In case this video helped, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video, and let others learn from our content. We have dropped series of video tutorials that are similar like this that will help you boost your creativity skills on logo designs and then PixelLab design as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting our channel. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. See you on our next video. Goodbye from here. Namaste.